It's an Arcade sign. I don't have an Arcade anymore, so I'm gonna make my channel sign. Had I done the reverse and put the cut part on the back, it would have come out better. Okay, so I'm going to change that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside and photocopy this, but so on the reverse it comes out like that. And that will work out better. Because, well, I haven't cleaned this up yet, but it looks messy from this side, but if you flip it over, it's not too bad. Once I clean it up, it'll look good. So that's what I'm going to do. Flip it around. So I have to close the garage door so you can see what it looks like. It came out okay. I wanted a little bit rustic. It was just a piece of plexiglass I had laying around, so it's a little bit scratched up. But being here in the garage, it will get scratched up anyways. So it's just a little fun thing. Haven't made a video in a while, so figure I'll put one out. This was quick and easy, and the other sign doesn't go with the surroundings. Now that it's all Can-Am here. So it's lit up there. I don't know if it's going to stay there, but I think it looks cool. The detail and the lettering, I'll probably have to buy a smaller pin-like router bit. You know, I just thought of it after the fact. I have my Dremel kit. Well, for the next one, I'll use the Dremel kit. So I just finished this project here, and I did the drawers over there. Been organizing everything. Working on this. Over here, I'm going to put the glass doors soon. And I might put the Frank's DIY logo on the window itself because I'm doing plexiglass inserts. So I might do the same type of stuff there. Not really sure. Got to do the vacuum for the system here all across. 2 more drawers I need to make there. And I'm working on my desk, which is over there, corner desk. And those are all the parts, cutouts for it, which I have to assemble, and that'll be probably on the next video. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to organize everything here. There's stuff still to put away in drawers. I'm still trying to decide the best place to put everything. And the reason I'm doing glass there is so I can see exactly what's up there. The drills and stuff might move over here. I'm not 100% sure. I'm thinking of doing this, the charging area. It's all still up in the air. But slowly but surely, we'll get it all done. And I have to get rid of all this wood still. So I have a lot of projects to make. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.